Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use UCard at grocery store. So using your UCard at the grocery store is quite simple and straightforward, I must say. But first, you will have to check out the list of the grocery stores that are actually tied up with UCard. So whether your grocery store is in that list or not. For that, you can download this PowerPoint where if you just scroll down a bit, you will find a bunch of different stores like Walmart, Walgreens, etc., Dollar General. So you can simply just check this list, or if you want to get the full list, you will have to first sign in into your account. So you need to click on sign in on the home page, then provide your username and your password, and you will have to log in into your account in order to view the full list. Now, once you have found that your grocery store is in the list, you will have to simply go to the store, and there you can swipe your U card and you can make the payment with it. It is as simple as that. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.